Good evening, children. Today, in this session of computer science, we will understand what computer and hardware and software are. The objective of this session is to introduce you to computer, hardware, and different types of hardware devices. Children, if I ask you what is computer, you will say computer is an electronic machine. Correct. Computer is an electronic machine that accepts data, process data arithmetically and logically, produce information, that is output. Yes, the data is like a raw material which you give to the computer processes it and converts it into a meaningful information. You can think of your mother working in a kitchen cooking for you. She cuts the vegetable, she chops the vegetable, she has spices in the kitchen, she has oil. Now these are all raw material. Now your mother puts everything in the pan and cooks it and prepares a nice dish for you. Now final dish that you are getting is your output. Similarly, in the computer, we give instructions to computer. The data we give to the computer doesn't mean any sense to us as of now. The data is being processed by computer and then we get the output that is something meaningful to us. Like if I say 2 plus 3 to computer, the computer will add it and give us the result 5. So 2 plus 3 was not meaningful for me, but the addition of 2 plus 3, that is the final output 5, is meaningful to us. Now I can broadly categorize the computer into two parts, hardware and software. Hardware, the physical aspects of computers is called hardware, something that we can see, feel and touch. The parts of computer, like the body parts, like your body parts, like your hand, your nose, your legs, you can see them, you can feel them, you can touch them. Similarly, the parts of computer which you can see, feel and touch are the hardware parts. It can be further divided into 4 parts: for input devices, output devices, processing device and storage device. Input devices enable user to enter information and command into the computer. So the devices that we require to give command or instruction to the computer to do some work are your input devices, like your keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, etc. Like if I want to add 2 plus 3, so what will I do? I will use keyboard. I will press the keys 2 plus and 3 equal to on the keyboard. So I am giving instruction to the computer to add the two numbers. So for this I am using keyboard, and keyboard becomes my input device. Similarly, output devices are the devices which supply process data that gives the final result to us after processing our output devices. So the once I add two numbers, the output is shown on monitor. So monitor becomes my output device. Monitor, printer, speaker, these are various output devices of computer. Processing device processes the data as per instructions and send the results to the output device. So processing devices are between input and output device that is used to take information, the data, process it and gives the information, right? So processing device is the main device which works in between. All the work is done by processing device. So your processing device is your CPU. The physical thing that you see is the CPU box. Inside your CPU box is this motherboard, that big board that you are seeing green color. On this there is a processor. Okay, so this is your processing device. It is hardware. Once you open the CPU box, you can see the motherboard and the processor fitted on it. Last comes your storage devices. The devices that are used to store the data or information so that we can use it further whenever we want are your storage devices. Your hard disk is a storage device which is inside the CPU box also, and your hard disk is a device which we can use it externally also. So some information we store in the computer permanently. It's always there whenever we open the computer, and some storage devices are used to carry the data or information from one place to another. So here are some of the examples, like CD, pen drive, DVD. There are many hard disks. There are many storage devices of computer. These are used to store the information or data. So now children, you know what hardware devices of computer are. The things that we can see, feel and touch are the hardware parts. Go through the video again and listen to it carefully. I will give you the worksheet related to the video shortly. Till then, happy learning.